question. Yes, sir.
You talk about putting lots of photos and images on the pages. Do they have public domain, and where do you find such content?
Right, good question. You cannot take a photo and put it up on Wikipedia unless it's licensed to be on Wikipedia. So the way we do it is you can find people who have taken pictures like Greg. I'm also a photographer, and we go to a lot of skeptic conferences. I will put out a call, like I'll say, who's going to be at the next QED in London? We need a good picture of Chris French. Or we go to these events and we take a lot of photos so that just in case for later, you know, whenever somebody gets ready for the Wikipedia page. And so it's easier if it's somebody from our team. We've also collected a lot of URLs, Flickr sites, Picasa sites for people that go to conferences all around the world. And like right now I'm looking for a lot of 1023 campaign photos because I'm totally going to change the 1023 campaign Wikipedia page and I'm putting them in. I just got somebody from Norway.
What's
1023 is a campaign that Merseyside Skeptics did where everybody, at 10:23 in the afternoon, everybody overdosed on homeopathic drug. So we had a mass suicide.
Except
nobody died, but everybody takes a mass suicide.
that we know of.
That we know of, you know, or fell asleep or whatever, and you know, or anything like that. Nothing happened to anybody. But that was a campaign that was done a few years ago. I'd love to see it redone. But it's the 1023 homeopathic campaign, and it's just to bring awareness that there's nothing to it. They have a Wikipedia page to explain it. But I want to redo the photos on it from all over the world. We have like a photo from Chile, we have a photo from Monterey, we have a photo from Romania. I want to do like a gallery of photos, so I'm going to have to go start doing that. It's just one of the
event at Skeptic Alpha.
And it's on, you know where that picture's at? On the homeopathy page, I believe. I think it's on the homeopathy page. If you look at the homeopathy page, I think it's on there. I know it's on the 1023 page. So, because it's the largest, the one you guys did at Skeptic Al, I think that's the largest mass overdose ever in homeopathic drugs. So,
Over 200. I'm so proud.
I'm so proud. We had a lot of water. Nobody was dehydrated that day.